The head of state says Namibia is well known as one of the leading producers and exporters of beef in the international market because of its natural cattle feeding practice, which ensures the high quality of the beef. Namibia's beef has earned acceptance in international markets such as the United States of America, the European Union, and China.
Namibia is well known for being a leading beef producer and exporter in the international market. And truly, our beef is the best in the whole world. They say so, and I believe that.
Government says Dr. Nandi-Ndaitwah is also committed to establishing feedlots to improve the nutritional value of beef and meat quality. The president also indicated to the farmers that government is aware of various challenges faced by farmers, such as devastating impact on livestock survival, persistent water scarcity, as well as livestock theft. She assured farmers that government has not been idle, but it has implemented various measures to mitigate the impacts of climate change, such as allocating fodder feedings to affected farmers during periods of drought, drilling of boreholes to address water scarcity affecting both livestock and human needs.
As a government, we are very much aware of various challenges faced by the farmers. But I really want us not to overwhelm our minds with challenges. They are there, but let us try to find solution to those challenges.
Dr. Nandi-Ndaitwah also urged farmers to be cautious of the wildfire and join hands in combating such disasters when they occur. The engagement was aimed at discussing issues of development, national food security, and the strengthening of the agricultural sector. Garie Kavari, NBC News, Omaheke Region.